Hi, Trader Michael here. In today's video, I'll discuss some of the ways you can make money from affiliate programs. If you're actually passionate about trading and you want to share the stuff that you can do or you have learned, you need to start putting yourself out there. I mean, start talking to people, start promoting yourself, start making things useful for people and add value. There are basically two types of affiliate income. One, per attracted client, and revenue share for each client's trade. So I'll discuss both of them with some examples, guides, and ideas how to make them. So there are many ways to do that. One is by running a website with trading related topics. It can be explanatory articles, news articles, deeper analysis. Next is starting a blog about trading, maybe in a way of a trading journal. Post about your journey and how you evolved as a trader. Forums, next one. Here is, as everywhere else, you need to be creative while posting to gain popularity and therefore traffic through your affiliate links. Next is social networks. Over there you need to comment on messages left in the thematic groups and, from what I've heard, you can repost your advertising information. Another one is by creating useful videos and adding your links in the description under the film. There are a variety of topics. It can be an analysis-related channel, your video trading journal, or a place where you just share the stuff that you think are useful and help you along the way. So overall, I think there is a path for almost everybody, I guess. So let's talk about some examples. Let's say you are a trader with small capital, but a successful one with a good strategy. The way for you is to first publish your account on LiteFinance social trading platform to make your account available for other people to copy it and for you to earn extra money from the profits your trades will make on investors' accounts. Which I guess is one of the best things where you are doing your usual work and make money also for somebody else. One of the biggest examples of adding value. If in this situation you would want to promote yourself and your account, for what you could do is to start a blog with the trading journal. You could post your analysis, your decision-making process, etc. You could also do the same on forums or post your scores on social medias. It would apply to everything, it's a matter of creativity. Now let's talk about some numbers. And it can also work as a motivation. Let's say you attracted 100 clients, which in total copied your account with an amount of $50,000. You made a 10% profit after some time, and the commission is, for example, 20% of the profits made on the investor's account. You set it whatever you like, it depends solely on you. So your salary in this particular situation would be $1,000 from the performance fee, because 10% from $50,000 is $5,000 and 20% of that is $1,000. Next, you get an affiliate commission. I need to add that in order to get the information, there are terms that clients need to fulfill in order for you to receive payment. You check everything on the broker website. Link will be down below in the description, of course, but let's assume that each client met the requirements. They are not that hard to meet either way, so your commission is $50 for each client. So $50 multiplied by 100 and you get $5,000 plus $1,000 from the performance fee, and so overall you receive $6,000 for this particular amount of work. You can think that affiliate commission is way bigger, but keep that in mind that this is one-off and performance fee is like forever, whenever you will make a profit. So, and I need to point that this is just a broad example. I do not know how long it would take somebody to attract so many clients and to make such profit, so keep that in mind. Well, next good example would be when you have sufficient knowledge about trading and want to teach people your methods. Therefore, again, you can promote yourself with a blog, forums, and social media. Maybe by sharing some of them to a broad audience, making courses online, and introducing your students to the broker, and therefore have incentive to let them grow and learn and generate stable income for you from the volume that they trade. It is a win-win situation. Again, added value. So for calculating the commission, you can use the calculator on the broker website. When we add the most common settings, we will get $1,400 which is our salary. And this can of course vary in each month depending how big volume the traders will trade. But this number can also grow as long as you will attract new clients each month. Resuming, I hope it was some kind of useful video to you, and you don't get it the wrong way, because as I said, as long as you are adding value by helping someone or making useful stuff, it's just a matter of work and effort to make it happen. At the end, I want to add that don't try to be perfectionist, that you will not publish the video or post because it's not looking as good as you would want or it's not the best. This is the worst thing you could do. You publish and work on it along the way, so that the next one will be better. Also, there was a study made when they compared the work of two groups of people, where one was told to make as many things as they possibly could in an X period of time, and the second was told to have all this X period of time to make this one exemplar the best they could. And it turned out that the group which created most of the things had better end result than from the group who devoted all the time to create this one exemplar. So that is all, guys. Thank you for watching, and till next time, take care.